Hey there, science fans. Welcome to an incredible journey into the unseen. Have you ever wondered what makes plants and animals different? It's more than just their looks. Besides the obvious stuff, like plants staying put and animals moving around, there's a whole world inside them. Let's take a journey into the amazing world of cells. These tiny wonders hold the secrets of life. Cells are the tiny building blocks of all living things. They are the foundation of life. They're like miniature factories bustling with activity. Each cell is a hive of productivity. We're going to explore the fascinating differences between plant and animal cells. It's a tale of two worlds. Get ready for a wild ride. This is going to be an eye-opening experience. We'll start by looking at what makes them similar. Both have essential functions that keep them alive. Then we'll dive into the unique features that give plants and animals their special abilities. Each has its own set of superpowers. So put on your imaginary lab coats and let's get started. This is going to be a fun and educational adventure. First things first. Both plant and animal cells share some fundamental similarities. Think of these as the basic tools every cell needs to function. They both have a nucleus, the cell's control center, which houses DNA. They're surrounded by a cell membrane, a thin barrier that controls what goes in and out. Inside, there's a jelly-like substance called cytoplasm where all the action happens. Both cell types also have mitochondria, the powerhouses that provide energy. They've got the endoplasmic reticulum, ER, for building proteins and the Golgi apparatus for packaging them. And let's not forget ribosomes, the protein-making machines, and the cytoskeleton, which provides support and shape. Now, let's talk about what makes plant cells special and unique in the world of biology. Plants are masters of making their own food through a process called photosynthesis, which is essential for their survival and growth. For this, they need some extra equipment that animal cells lack, making them distinct and highly efficient. The most obvious is the cell wall, a rigid layer outside the cell membrane that provides structural support and protection, ensuring the plant cell maintains its shape. Imagine it as a suit of armor for the plant cell, shielding it from external threats and giving it strength. Then there's the chloroplast, the superstar of photosynthesis, which is crucial for the plant's ability to produce food. This green organelle captures sunlight and uses it to convert carbon dioxide and water into sugar, the plant's food, through a series of complex chemical reactions. The chloroplast is like the plant's solar panel and food factory all rolled into one, making it indispensable for the plant's energy needs. Finally, plant cells have a large central vacuole, a big storage compartment for water, nutrients, and waste, playing a vital role in the cell's function. This vacuole helps maintain the plant's shape and turgor pressure, keeping it from wilting and ensuring it stays upright and healthy. Section 4. Animal action, structures for movement and flexibility. Animal cells, on the other hand, are all about movement and flexibility. They need to be able to move around, hunt for food, and escape from danger. That's why they lack the rigid cell wall of plants. Without it, animal cells can change shape and move more freely. While animal cells don't have chloroplasts, they do have some unique structures. Centrioles, for example, are small cylindrical structures involved in cell division. They help organize microtubules, which are like tiny ropes that pull chromosomes apart during cell division. Section 5, different structures, different jobs. So why do these differences matter? What makes these structural variations so crucial? Well, it all comes down to the different roles that plants and animals play in the ecosystem. Each has a unique function that supports life on Earth. Plants are producers using sunlight to make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. They need sturdy cell walls to support their growth and chloroplasts to capture sunlight efficiently. They also need large vacuoles to store water and nutrients, ensuring they have enough resources to thrive. Animals, on the other hand, are consumers. They rely on other organisms for their energy. They get their energy by eating plants or other animals, making them an essential part of the food chain. They need to be able to move around to find food and escape predators, so they don't have rigid cell walls. This flexibility is key to their survival. Their flexible structures allow for a wider range of movement, enabling them to adapt to various environments and challenges. Section 6, celebrating the diversity of life. As you can see, plant and animal cells are both amazing in their own ways. They have evolved over millions of years to perform their specific functions. Understanding these tiny structures gives us a greater appreciation for the incredible diversity of life on Earth. So the next time you bite into a crisp apple or watch a playful dog, take a moment to think about the amazing world of cells working behind the scenes. It's a reminder that even the smallest things can be incredibly complex and awe-inspiring